Are you ready to turn your goat family dreams into a thriving business? Discover how to start and profit from goat farming with our easy-to-follow guides tailored for beginners. 1. Breed selection. Choose the right goat breeds based on climate purpose, such as meat, fiber, and market demands. 2. Initial setup. Set up your farm, including housing, fencing, and necessary equipment. 3. Feeding and nutrition. Basic of feeding goats for optimal health and productivity. 4. Health care. Overview of common diseases, vaccination schedules, and general goat health management. 5. Cost analysis. Break down the initial investment required and ongoing cost. 6. Profit potential. Insight into various income streams such as selling milk, meat breeding stock, and fiber. 7. Marketing and sales, such as strategies for finding and reaching your target market, including local markets, online sales, and value-added products. If this is your first time of you coming to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks for watching.